Seeing the same photos again and again in Google Photos? Google Photos can prevent some exact copies from being uploaded twice. But resized, compressed, cropped, converted, and edited versions can still remain. Here are 2 ways to clean them up on your computer. I'm demonstrating on Windows, but the steps are almost the same on a Mac. Use this first method for a few duplicates. Open Google Photos in a browser on your computer and sign in. Start in the main Photos view. Photos taken or uploaded at about the same time often appear close together. You can also use the search bar to narrow the library by an object, place, date, or file type. For example, I'll search for dog to bring these similar photos together. Open each photo. Compare the file name, resolution, file size, date, and device information. Select the copy you don't need, click the trash icon, and confirm Move to Trash. Repeat this for the other duplicate groups you can find. This works for a small cleanup, but Google Photos can't sort the whole library by file size or automatically show every duplicate group. For thousands of photos, use the next method. This method exports a copy of your Google Photos library, scans it locally with Cisdem Duplicate Finder, and helps you remove the duplicate photos in bulk. Go to Google Takeout. Click Deselect All, scroll down, and select Google Photos. Open all photo albums included. Keep the year folders, but uncheck Trash and your custom albums. This helps avoid exporting the same photo once in a year folder and again in an album folder. Click Next Step. Choose Send Download link via email, export once, zip, and a 50 GB archive size. Then click Create Export. Google will email you when the export is ready. Download every zip file and extract all of them into the same Takeout folder before scanning. Now open Cisdem Duplicate Finder. The scan runs locally on your computer, so the app doesn't need access to your Google account. Under Local File Scan, drag in the Takeout folder. Before scanning, open Settings. Under General, choose Move to Folder and select an empty folder on the desktop. Or you can create a folder on your desktop and name it Duplicates. Under Similar Images, make sure Enable Similar Images function is turned on. Keep the default similarity settings for your first scan. Click Scan Now. A large library can take more time. When the scan finishes, you can review the detected duplicates first side by side. Use the selection rules to help you mass select duplicates for removal. Check every marked photo and change any selection that doesn't look right. Click Delete after reviewing the selections. Because we chose Move to Folder, Cisdem moves the selected exported copies into the Duplicates folder. Your online Google Photos library has not changed yet. Go back to Google Photos and create a new album. Open the album and drag the Duplicates folder on your computer's desktop into this album. Since these files came from the Takeout export, Google Photos can match them with the corresponding library items and add them to this album. Wait until the process is complete. Select the first photo. Scroll to the end, hold Shift, and select the last photo to select the full range. Review the album one final time. Open the three-dot menu and choose Move to Trash. Do not choose Remove from Album. That only removes the album label and leaves the photos in your library. Go back to Photos. You'll find that all duplicates are deleted. Deleted photos normally stay in trash for 60 days. Don't empty it immediately. First, check the main library and restore anything you removed by mistake. Deleting from Google Photos may also affect synced devices. That's how to find and bulk remove duplicate and similar photos from Google Photos on your computer. You'll find the full guide and the free download link of Cisdem Duplicate Finder in the description. Thanks for watching.